I'm Tekka Thompson, farm to table chef. Today we're talking about planting chives and chive spacing. So I've made 4 rows about 4 to 6 inches apart. That's the space you want between the rows. Now we're going to plant 3 seeds per every inch of row. So I'm just going to take my handy garden stake. I'm going to make about a 1/4 inch indent in the top of the row every inch. I'm going to get my chive seeds and I'm going to place 3 in every hole. And so on down my row. I'm going to cover them up, tamping lightly to make sure there's no air pockets. And then I'm going to lightly water and keep moist. In about 2 weeks, they will start to sprout, in which case you want to thin them, always picking the strongest and biggest plants. And that way it'll give them plenty of room to grow into healthy, beautiful chives. I'm Tekka Thompson, and that is how to plant chives and chive spacing. Thank you for watching.